Hot diggity dog, look what we have today. It's a 1963 Corvette Split Window, arguably the most iconic Corvette ever made. What really makes this one special, you see it for yourself, black with red interior, and it was born this way. That's very desirable. It makes the car very collectible, just very attractive. Go to volocars.com. You'll find 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Or scan the QR code and it'll bring you directly to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, we always start the split windows with the back end showing first because that's what it's all about. This piece right here makes this car so special. They eliminated it the following years because it blocks some of your view. But the coupe is a classic design regardless. This one here, it's a driver quality car. It looks beautiful. It's sharp looking. It's shiny. Not frame off restored, nothing like that, but a good car. Here's a few bubbles in the paint right there, but it's so glossy. The doors fit real nice. The body looks to be in great shape. No, I didn't quite do it hard enough. There we go. Everything fits real nicely. The hood fits real nicely. So do the headlights. And it's got some good touch-ups right here around the headlight. A few little touch-ups there. Like I said, there are imperfections, but this is all shiny and slick. Now, the only year it has these fake hood grates, and they're in real nice shape. Cross flag emblem looks good. Hubcaps are really nice. Those must be reproduction. They look new. The tires look new as well. This emblem looks new, the cross flag. The rocker moldings have some surface scuffs on them. This is a little banged up here. Like I said, driver quality presents itself really well. The windshield looks to be in good shape. This door fits real nicely as well. Weather strips are replaced. Shuts very nicely. Yeah, the body does appear to be very good. The rear glass, better than a lot of them I see. They look like they have a few light scratches, but overall very good. Bumpers have been rechromed. Tail lights are good. Gas cap looks like that might be original. Same with the antenna. It's the correct antenna. Has the bow tie mirror on it. So yeah, just a sharp looking car. You stand right here, it looks as good as our best car. So for driving around, going to cruise nights, car shows, just looking at it in your garage, it's stunning. Let's open it up. We'll show you that red interior. Well, there's no truck, there's no trunk, but you can take a second and admire the iconic split window back end there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. The door jambs are glossy, weather strips are very good. The interior is very fresh. This looks like it was just redone, including those door panels, the armrest, the window cranks, all that looks really sharp. Has a nice instrument panel. These are 1963 only. See the silver cone in the middle? That's 63. This has a 6500 redline tachometer because it is a 340 horse car. And then these dash pads look new. All this looks like it's redone. It's all one shade of red too, not a bunch of mismatched colors. Working clock, AM FM radio, new glove box door. Glove box liner looks good. The light works in there too. Lights work underneath here. The carpet's fresh front to back. Fits nice. It's fresh. Reproduction. Floor mats. Looks like original console. Has some surface marks on it, but it's good. They've upgraded the shifter with a Hurst 4-speed. It does have red seat belts. The seats and the armrests look like they've been reupholstered, actually recushioned as well, so that all looks real nice and fresh. Backs of the seats real nice. Look how fresh, all the red everywhere, looking really good. All the carpet fits nice, it's all fresh. Everything up here looks good. Chrome around the windows is shiny. Got working dome light. This is painted nice. Headliner looks like it's been replaced. Visor's been re-dyed. And it has a red steering wheel. So yeah, sharp looking interior, very fresh in here. So it's a correct 327 motor. They rebuilt the engine so the numbers were machined off the front, but the casting codes and that make it a proper motor for this car. It's supposed to be making about 340 horsepower. It does have an aluminum intake on top. Has an upper ignition shield, has the finned aluminum valve covers, a correct air cleaner, stock exhaust manifolds. And it does look like deep groove pulleys that would come on the higher horsepower engines. Pretty simple engine compartment. You can work on this Corvette engine. Has the expansion tank, GM reproduction hoses, look new, the heater hoses. So yeah, nice, simple, strong running engine. Michael's going to demonstrate the car and we'll see in a few minutes.
Factory colors on this Vette. Holy cow. 340 horsepower, 327 under the hood. With the 4-speed manual. This is the stuff that dreams are made of right here. Incredible cars. It's absolutely gorgeous. Steering and suspension feel nice and tight on here. Seems like all the gauges are working, including the clock there. Absolutely amazing. And yeah, let's see what she's got. Just like that, we're doing 60 miles an hour. Heck yeah. More than adequate power. Revs out nice and smooth. This one handles the business. That is for sure. Let's see how it goes down the road. Really nice straight alignment on there. Car set up right, it was built right. Somebody's going to absolutely love this thing. Downshift there. And yeah, please, you're more than welcome to come take it for a test drive if you'd like to. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So underneath there's good driver quality. It's been maintained, service as needed. We inspected the car. Looks like we replaced a couple shocks. We adjusted the parking brakes, bled the system, fixed some turn signals. So it's a turnkey driver quality car. First year for the independent suspension in its front and back. Looking up at the motor, it's nice and clean. It has a correct Borg-Warner T10 4-speed that's in there. It has what looks like the original rear end. It's a 308 Posi, dated and coded for this car. Solid frame. What really makes it are the colors. Well, the fact it's a split window, but the black and red is really the reason why we bought this split window. The tag that's underneath there absolutely looks original. It's been looked at by 2 NCRS judges and verbally We were told that it is authentic, and an NCRS judge previously owned this car. So the black and red really makes this split window extra special. Go to volocars.com. Sales can help answer your questions, including how to get your split window delivered home. If you need finance, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.